Okay, so if I'm going to be doing the reverse glaze technique, the first thing that I'm going to do is pick the color that I want for the inside lines. Okay, so the color that I want to be showing in all my grooves. All right, so then I'm gonna, once I pick that color, I'm gonna actually apply that color pretty quick. Okay, so now it's looking dry enough that I can actually start doing the scrubbing. So again, I started by just painting the front side. The back side is not painted at all yet. We don't want to paint that until we're done with this step. So then I'm gonna go to the sink and I'm gonna turn on the water, and for my comfort, I'm just gonna have it on like a lukewarm. It really doesn't matter if it's on cold or hot, but it's more about what's comfortable for you. Then I'm gonna grab one of these scrubbing brushes or sponges that are out in the classroom for you to use. And I'm not gonna hold my plate underwater. I'm gonna hold the sponge underwater, have the sponge dripping wet, and I'm going to scrub. So I'm using the scrub side of my sponge, and you're gonna watch and notice how much I actually wash off the sponge. So once you notice the glaze is like starting to come off, then I'm gonna switch over to the softer side. And now I'm really just gonna wipe off. Now you can really see it's wiping off the extra glaze that I scrubbed. But again, now I'm squeezing out my sponge. When I'm using the soft side, I'm squeezing out the sponge a lot more and getting rid of as much water as I can. If you look at the plate now, you should pretty much just see the green sitting inside the lines so that it really highlights the shapes. So at this point, once I've washed it off, now the only negative part of doing this technique is I need to let it sit and dry overnight. So while I'm waiting for this to dry, I'm gonna go back and work on my weaving. And then tomorrow, I can finish it up.